Hi, I'm the Mavic 3, DJI's new flagship drone. Wait, I'm also a Mavic 3, except I do work. Hold on, I'm the newest flagship drone, the Mavic 3 Pro. Yes, but do you have a cine version? Because we do. Heck yeah, we even have a classic version, and I'm definitely the cooler one. Well, we have a cine version too, and I'm by far the coolest. Really? I'm not seeing a whole lot of cool around here. You all kind of look organic to me. We're definitely not on the same wavelength, that's for sure.
Okay, so who's the best then?
Of course,
Dude,
it's gotta
small
be
choice.
It's me.
Hey, one at a time, please.
Well, I'm the OG. I have 2 cameras. So do I. I have 2 too. Ha! You said 2. Well, I have 3. I have 5, you peasants. Oh, I'm not playing that game. He only has 1 camera. Yep, but I do have a 4/3 sensor, so you can suck it. Same. Thermal doesn't have a 4/3 sensor. Ooh, burn! Yep, but at least I have a 7x zoom without loss. Same. I can do that, and also 3 times zoom. Bro, so can I. Is 3x better than 7x? I can only do 1x on a good day. Dude, I know that feeling. I have ProRes and I'm clearly the best. What's a ProRes, fellas? Plus, I have an internal SSD. An internal what? Internal? Doesn't that hurt? Not so fast. I have ProRes, I have an internal SSD, and I'm more expensive, so I'm definitely more valuable. Yeah, but you could have 2 of me for the same price and extra money for more battery, or this beautiful denim bag. Dude, nobody wants 2 of you. Mechanical shutter, on the other hand, that's definitely something you want. What's a mechanical shutter? Oh, wait, I think I got myself one of those. But what you really want is some really cool near IR imagery and determined plant health. Nerd. Look who's talking. Your mom's a nerd. You two keep my name out of your mouth! Alright, this situation is getting heated, which I can see with my special abilities, unlike all of you. Is he one of them superheroes? He thinks he is. Well, I'm the most expensive, so I would definitely win.
Okay. Sounds like you all have your strengths and weaknesses. So there's really no clear winner.
What? No clear winner?
pretty
Excuse
sure
me.
I am.
Dude,
Hey, Bo, can you grab a drone? Let's go film a short.
Pick me. Pick me. Pick me. Pick me. Pick me. Dude. Come on, pick me.
Nah, we need vertical today.
Is that good height? I am your leader. Pick me. Blah.
The hat used to be like this.
Still too high?
That was good. One more time. Right hand.
I think we have it. I think we have it.